Okay, right-click on the icon, left-click on Properties. Good, okay, fine. There's a tab that says Device Manager, click on it, thank you. And that'll tell you what the status of your DVD drive is. You don't have a DVD drive. Dad, that's why you can't write DVDs. After 37 reboots and a dozen clean installs, my room is trashed, my plants are dead, and there's green slime on the walls. But his computer's running smoothly, I can finally get away. When he says, oh yeah, son, one more thing. How do you sell stuff on eBay? Here's a pox on all programmers, putting crapware on your shelves. May you have to teach your programs to your dads by phone yourselves. There's the Normandy invasion and the siege of Leningrad, and the special hell filling in for Dell as tech support for Dad. Now I've built him a computer, nothing can get in or out. The firewall's adamantium and the drives are sealed with grout.
What file it's on, and then just so that you don't have to worry about what site you put it on.
They do.